Hi, good morning. Myself Parvi Dubey. Just I would like to discuss about on the point of the education. This is very important because I come on the live and I would like to explain some important things that is most important and how will you just develop the education's level. This is a very crucial situations right now that the during the COVID we have the lost it continued 2 years also and the education level has fallen down. But my topics is in related to the educations. How will you grow up the education? Education system is day by day falling down, and it is a very challenging in front of common people. How they will face and how will you overcome all the things. Education is the way where you can get all the informations. Education is the only way that you can build up your character personality. But day by day, previous time the education and now comparison, there is a lot of difference. Now we are depend upon the technical study through the mobile, through the WhatsApp, and everything we can share an idea and all things. But there is a lot of drawbacks according to my analysis. What is a drawback according to my the survey, or I did research particular on these topics, that what is the drawback of education technology based learning, because the maximum students who depend on the mobile, there is a lot of problems. If you will continue the watch the mobile, then you can have the problem in the eyes also, in retina, as well as your like a the mind pain, because the radiation reflections in your eyes, it can be reduce a lot of causes inside of your body. Previous study was better than now. Why? Because on the time the student was going through the book in depth, they are going the book, they are learning, they are finding out the conclusion, they solve themselves, they don't have any resources. After that they do deep study. But nowadays there is a lot of problems to face the student, because all the technical study, student became the parasite. There is a lot of YouTube beneficials, but there is some drawbacks. Nowadays maximum students are moving into the wrong way with the mobile contact, because the good things people's living things, but the bad things the students adopt very much. So technical teaching, I just considered, but one thing is that frankly speak, the previous study is a more and important than nowadays. In comparison, while you do the comparison in between the previous study and the now, the students totally parasite. Parasite depends on the mobile. Without the mobile, student can't do anything. They are doing everything. So in my time, I'm talking about that the students are learning, but they go in depth. They just try to take the concept. Suppose you are doing calculus, integration, or differentiation and differential equation. You are learning chemistry, organic chemistry. The students learn in depth. They find out the conclusion. What will be the conclusion? Wood's fitting reaction, Wilson synthesis, Friedel-Crafts acylation, alkylations. They learn SN1, SN2 reactions. They go in depth. But nowadays, students are getting everything in the net. They don't search out that what will be the exact answer. They don't depends themselves. They can't understand their caliber. But I am talking about the my time. The students search the book, so many concept. They just learn. They go in depth learning. If they having the any problem, they just search out the solution. They do hard work. But nowadays, students does not do the hard work. Without mobile, without YouTube, student can't do anything. They don't try to do hard work. That is why the quality of education falling down. Quantity you will get everywhere, but when you talk about the quality, I am talking about the quality according to my analysis or research work. I'm a person of research fellow. I know that what is the quality. So education level we must upgrade. We must encourage the our children's students don't become parasite in the mobile. They they just we have to motivate them. Just go through the book. In the go If you will go through the book, then you will get a lot of things, lot of perception, lot of ideas, and it will be help you for wide your knowledge. You can just increase your knowledge. You can understand that the one answer, one question, how will you modify yourself through your skill, through your inner confidence. It will be create the inner confidence yourself about the learning. So today I came on the live how to reform the education system. It is a very important, and not only me also. We have to come close together, and we have to try to motivate through the YouTube or like through the live. We have to motivate the student maximum, given the time in the book learning is the best thing. If you want to learn anything, it is given in a book also. But now we are not looking book also. We just need the some shortcut way. This shortcut way is okay, but for the time being it is very good. But if you want to improve the your really the education's quality, then it is a very good and very important that the self dependent. If you will learning initially case, you will have the problem, but slowly you will understand the concept. Suppose you are doing integration of e to the power x sin x, then how will you do it? Integration by parts. So first time you will get the difficulty, but second time slowly you will learn something. Third time you will learn more. Fourth time means you are doing research yourself, and at the last you will become the master of that. It will take the time. It will take the time. I know that. It will not a shortcut way. It is a very long way. But when you will become educated, then you can say yourself that I come inside me the confidence level is the most important. We have to generate, we have to motivate to the student. The self confidence is the only the way that you can achieve your all goal, whatever you desire. We must motivate to the students and the children's. Self dependent is the very good things. Self learning is the best process in the world. It is coming ancient time or now also. I would like to say the education level only we can grow up, that we must understand the meaning of quality education. Thank you. Have a nice day. Have a good morning, everyone. And hopefully that this my live speech, it is a very beneficial for all guardians and students and the childrens. They will get the benefit, and they will try themselves that the self motivate is the only the way to get your stability of life. As well as one thing I would like to include, that self learning is the best learning. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.